For decades, success in business followed a familiar script. Visibility meant credibility. The bigger the office, the louder the branding, the more frequent the promotions, the more successful a company appeared. But that model is evolving. Across industries, a quieter philosophy is emerging. What began as a fashion trend, quiet luxury, has developed into a business approach centered on trust, consistency, and long-term value rather than constant visibility. To understand this shift, it helps to look at changing consumer behavior. Today's audiences are more informed and selective. With endless options available, they are no longer impressed by who is the most visible. Instead, they evaluate who consistently delivers quality, reliability, and meaningful results. This change is influencing how businesses operate. Rather than focusing solely on promotion, many organizations are investing in areas that directly impact long-term success: customer experience, operational systems, expertise, and relationship building. These elements may not always be visible, but they create a stronger foundation for sustainable growth. Quiet luxury in business is not about minimalism or aesthetics alone. It is about building a reputation through consistent performance. When a company delivers value repeatedly, it reduces the need to constantly prove itself through marketing. This principle can be observed within the BIZBoost ecosystem. Many professionals and leaders have established their influence not through loud promotion, but through years of consistent work, credibility, and measurable impact. In a marketplace saturated with content and competition, restraint has become a strategic advantage. Businesses that prioritize substance over noise are often better positioned to build lasting trust. Quiet luxury is not about staying hidden. It is about creating such a strong standard of delivery that recognition becomes a natural outcome. As competition continues to grow, the businesses that endure will likely be those that focus on consistency, reliability, and long-term relationships. Because attention is temporary, but trust, when built correctly, compounds over time. If this perspective resonated with you, share your thoughts below. Explore the BIZBoost ecosystem through the links below and discover more conversations with leaders shaping the future of business.